If you don't know, I did nails. I've been a nail tech for over 8 years before, and I took some time off to heal and to just do me. So it was about 3.5 years, almost 4, that I called it quits with doing nails. I sold all of my product and all of my equipment, and then once I started feeling better, I decided that I really miss doing it and I really miss seeing the people. So I've started to repurchase things and starting to do nails again. If you would like to give me a thumbs up and press the like button, that would be great. I would very much appreciate it. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel to see what else I purchase and the nails that I'm going to be doing, that would be great. I'd love to have you as a new friend. And until next time, take care and keep those nails pretty. Bye now.